पेज 7 से फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब माय डियर।
नहीं, फैसल साहब इसलिए आए कि
अच्छा, आप पेज 75 देख लें आप जी।
आपको ये कहना चाहिए कि उस बोनस का फायदा कोई नहीं होगा। This is the-
लेकिन गालिब ने इससे कहा था,
क्या ये दुरुस्त होगा अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपकी आर्ग्यूमेंट से कि the elections were free and fair, everything was normal, and you see there was some insanity in taking this extraordinary course by a major political party for which people had voted?
that is exactly why it was taken, and the record is before your lordship. If your lordship thinks that the election commission has acted justly, fairly and honestly, we have no case before your lordship. My lord, इस पे मैं एक पेज और दिखा दूं, पेज 75 देख लीजिएगा इसी समय में, and I am on my last point after this.
अगर हम ये कहें कि
जी,
for the sake of arguments, अगर हम ये कहें कि इलेक्शन कमीशन ने गलत किया, then you have a case.
sir, then your lordship has to reverse everything.
And again,
That is up to your
you will
lordship.
have no case.
No, that is up to your lordship. But वो जो order है of allowing the joining of independents SIC, my lord, how was that order passed? क्योंकि ये सवाल उठा था कि वो notification किस provision के अंडर, वो मैं आपको provision दिखाऊंगा। पहले पेज 75 मैं लिखवा दूं आपको। Page 75 of this same CMA. 75 onwards आप देखेंगे इलेक्शन कमीशन ने पूरा रिकॉर्ड दिया हुआ है on what day independents have joined SIC. It's not simply a fact. I will show to your lordships that it's not simply a fact. It's a recognition by the election commission that the independents have now become a part of the SIC. 75 onwards आप देख लीजिए. Now I come to under what provision does this happen? अगर आप इलेक्शन रूल्स 92 देख लें, if your lordship has and ladyship have rule 92, if your lordship and ladyship may see sub rule 6 proviso, sub rule 6 proviso. If I may read, sir, how does this happen? Independents joining parties. The proviso. Sub rule 6 pehle mein. For the purpose of this rule, the expression the total number of general seats won by political parties shall include the independent return candidates or candidates who may duly join such political party within 3 days of the publication in the official gazettes of the names of the returned candidates. Provided, now this is how it happens, provided if the independent candidates applies to the leader of a political party for joining his party, then the leader of the political party will forthwith inform the commission of joining of such candidates through a letter to be delivered to the commission along with consent of the candidates duly attested by a notary appointed under the Notaries Ordinance 1961 or an oath commissioner appointed under the Oaths Act 1873 or a government servant in basic scale 17 and above, provided the consent of the independent candidate so delivered to the commission, and these are all documents filed by the election, shall in no circumstances be open to recall or cancellation. Now, how does the notification come? Rule 94, sub rule 1.
Open to recall and cancellation, what does that mean?
Sir, जो consent होगी वो candidates recall नहीं कर सकता.
It's a one-time thing.
जी, it's a
one time.
Yes. Rule 94. The commission shall, by notification in the official gazette, declare the total number of reserved seats won by each political party in the National Assembly and the Provincial Assembly and respectively. So this is the वो जो notification मैंने आपको दिखाया था, this was the election commission really informing दी नेशनल असेंबली के कौन से मेंबर्स इंडिपेंडेंट है, कौन से मेंबर्स ने वेरियस पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज ज्वाइन कर ली है, बिकॉज दैट इज देयर मैंडेट अंडर रूल 92 sub rule 6 proviso. My lord, let me now move on to my last point. My last point is, I'll show your lordship just one further order of the confusion and I would say unfairness which the Election Commission has engaged in. CMA 5877 of 2024.
CMA 5?
Sir, 5877 of 2024. So this is which has the heading brief synopsis.
ये प्लास्टिक वाला
जी sir, thank you.
प्लास्टिक ये
ये किसका है?
Sir, this is filed by me, sir.
जी
This is filed by the petitioner, sir.
अच्छा आप
Page 4 पे sir. Your lordships will recall and your ladyship that an interesting argument was put forward by observations made by Justice Munib Akhtar regarding section 67 subsection 2 of the Election Act, that if a person is a member of a political party and nominated by it, then he cannot be given any election symbol but of that political party. This is exactly what the Election Commission ordered on 13 January 2024. This is the order. If I may read first paragraph. Page 4, whereas numerous applications received from various persons that many interested candidates are intending to violate and deceive the Election Commission and in clear terms violate the affidavit already given with their nomination papers. फिर वो provisions reproduced हैं, अगर मैं next page पे आ जाऊं to save time. Page 5, whereas it is mandatory for every candidate to file an affidavit form F in order to verify on oath form A as well as verification in form A in regard to affiliation of any political party or otherwise, and many candidates who had filed their nomination paper with declaration under section 66 of the Election Act 2017 be members of a specific political party and intended to contest election on the symbol of that very political party of which that candidate was member, now without leaving his previous party become member of another political party, which is against the provisions of section 203(3) of Elections Act 2017 and such acts of such candidates the violation of affidavit filed along with the nomination papers, which strictly comes within the punitive clause of judgment of the August Supreme Court reported at so and so. Last paragraph, next page. Therefore, in exercise of powers confers upon the Commission under Section 4 of the Elections Act 2017.
जजमेंट क्या कह रहा है ये बताएं?
जी, मैं ये पैराग्राफ पढ़ दूं फिर मैं आर्ग्यूमेंट पुट फॉरवर्ड.
ये जजमेंट क्या कह रहा है जो रिप्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं?
सर ये एफिडेविट के हवाले से है.
पढ़ दें.
जी, it is clarified that failure to file such affidavit before the returning officer would render the nomination papers incomplete and liable to rejection. If the affidavit or any part thereof is found false, then it shall have consequences as contemplated by the Constitution and the law. Since the affidavit is required to be filed in pursuance of the orders of this court, therefore, if any false statement is made thereon, it would also entail such penalty as if of filing a false affidavit before this court. Therefore, in exercise of powers conferred upon the Commission under Section 4 of the Elections Act 2017, the Commission hereby directs that no symbol of any other political party be allocated to such candidate who is a member of one political party and seeks allocation of symbol of a other political party. All applications rejected.
यानी इसमें तो जो मैं समझूं कि इलेक्शन कमीशन इस बात को मान रहा है कि जिस शख्स ने डिक्लेरेशन दी एक मखसूस पार्टी का, वो अपनी डिक्लेरेशन चेंज नहीं कर सकता।
वो जब भी दूसरी पार्टी का सिंबल ले सकता है अगर उसने वो पार्टी छोड़ी है।
पहले डिक्लेरेशन के बाद जिस पार्टी से वो डिक्लेरेशन सबमिट करता है या एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट जिस पार्टी से, ही कैन नॉट रिजाइन फ्रॉम दैट।
और वो ये कह रहे हैं कि उनको आप कोई और सिंबल नहीं दे सकते। तो SIC regardless of whether it has asked for a symbol of tower could only be given that candidate because SIC's chairman had declared its affiliation with SIC could only be given the symbol of that political party in terms of the Elections Commission's order, which is in line with Section 67(2), my lord. My lord, these are my
I am
submissions.
not following. What are you saying? What do you want to?
Sir, इससे कोई फर्क
ये आपने पढ़ा क्यों, मुझे समझाएं ना।
मैं इसलिए पढ़ा क्योंकि इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि 12 जनवरी या 13 जनवरी को SIC के चेयरमैन ने कोई और सिंबल के लिए अप्लाई किया था या नहीं। He could only be given the symbol of his own political party in terms of Section 67(2), and then the election passed an order saying that that is so.
अपनी इलेक्शन सिंबल से नहीं लड़े वो अपनी इलेक्शन पार्टी से।
सर क्योंकि दिया नहीं हमें, दिया नहीं,
उनका टिकट ही नहीं है ना, उन्होंने तो नजरियाती लिखा हुआ है।
सर दिया नहीं, हमें दिया नहीं।
नहीं व्हाट वी फाइल्ड द डिक्लेरेशन
पार्टी को तो दे सकते
नजरियाती।
आपकी अपनी पार्टी को तो दे सकते थे, आपने
नहीं दिया,
आपने तलब नहीं की, आप इंडिपेंडेंट थे।
सर नहीं दिया नहीं, हमने मांगा था, दिया नहीं।
चलिए,
वो सारा रिकॉर्ड से
चले आगे बढ़ने में समझ नहीं आ रही है।
तो माय लॉर्ड,
आप अपने पार्टी के चेयरमैन थे, आपने कोई सर्टिफिकेट दी? एक मिनट
जी।
एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट दी
जी,
एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट सबमिट किया आपने?
सर हमने
अपनी
PTI
पार्टी
का किया।
नहीं, अपनी पार्टी का।
हमने PTI का किया।
तो फिर आप
इन
अपनी पार्टी-
डिक्लेरेशन यू हैव सेड नजरियाती,
जी,
तो इट्स ए
हमने
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट
कोई-
ऑफ
सर, लेकिन-
टू